So on this video here, I have a little overview of my restoration project for the GTO, and wanted to just cover and go over all the work that I put into it. I think it's fun to document. I didn't do a lot of videoing, so I have some video clips or a lot of photos, and I'm just going to kind of caption the photos and show what's going on as I go through it. I got a few pictures of the car originally when I bought it, and so hope you enjoy this video, and let me know what you think. So here's the car when I first got it in 1994. I was 18 years old, and I sold my first car and bought this. And when I bought it, it was restored. It looked good, ran pretty good, but as the years went by, I drove it all throughout college, and as the years went by, you could see that it was not a quality restoration. With a lot of Bondo covering rust. The quarter panel had been replaced. I think about this much of it, and they didn't even cut all the old metal out. And if I could find the piece, and this is proof of that. So this is what was remaining of the original quarter panel. You can still see the original green, that Fedora green that a lot of those GTOs of that era came in. And so this is the very back of the quarter panel. It would be right in here, right where the end of the bumper, that section is. So when they had done that, they had never cut out the old piece. So you had the original green here. Somebody had painted it this orange color. And it's funny because I had seen orange overspray in spots, and I was wondering where the hell that came from. I got the PHS, and I know that the green was originally a Fedora green car. They had painted this looks like some kind of a 70s paint job. It's black, a black stripe here, and then the bottom part of the quarter panel was black with like a silver metal flake. It would actually be pretty neat to have seen pictures of it painted like that. So I cut that piece out. I saved that because I thought it was really cool. But that just goes to show you the kind of job whoever had done this did. They kind of did a half-assed job of repairing it. So it was quite a headache cutting out all the old stuff, because I got under there to cut what was left of the replacement quarter panel that had rusted, and I was finding metal that it didn't make sense, and then I figured out what it was. They had patched over the holes, the original rusted out quarter panel holes. So yeah, that just goes to show you, it looked great and it was cool. It was really neat to drive, but as I drove it, I started getting bubbling in the fenders, bubbling in the bottom of the doors, etc. So I came across another GTO, and I have actually pictures of that. This was in about the year 2000, and we had the 70 GTO here, and I paid to get that done, and then sold it to my dad, and he had it finished being restored, and that thing was, I wish we still had it. But anyway, when I bought that car in 2000, I got an extra, I bought a 455 block off of him too. And so I decided I was going to keep this as like the stock driver and make my 68 the race car. And that's where I'm going to begin with this video. The first part of this video, I have a few pictures. I had started to do body work at one time during driving, parking in a parking garage. I got a dent right here. Somebody had hit me. So you'll see pictures of that where I started to fix it. And then I just looking at it, and I decided to go all out and took the body off the frame. And I decided to redo the frame and everything. So this will be a quick walkthrough of a lot of the work that I did. This